Hey, first grade, we're going to work in our adjective packet, and then I'll show you a little game and some sentences we're going to write. So grab this, grab a glue stick and scissors and a pencil for writing, and we'll be ready to go. All right, let's find what page we're on. Yesterday was all about me. Hopefully you had a better chance of figuring out some adjectives than I did. My brain wasn't working, but that happens. All right, we're gonna go to the next one where it says describe a snowman. And what you're gonna do is come on over. I won't do all of it, but you're gonna cut these out, just cut all the way across and then cut out the words. And then we'll read the words together. So if you're gonna cut them out first, you can keep them in line first. We'll read my words is what we'll do, so you know what they are. So the first one is icy, tiny, cold. There's a color, white. Another color, green, happy, round, hot, snowy, and sad. So some of these are adjectives that will describe the snowman, and some of them are not. And as you can see, there's only 6 that would describe this snowman. So think about when you would look at a snowman, because a snowman is the noun, what would describe it? And you're going to cut them out and glue just the 6 words on there that describe the snowman. So go ahead and do that. Pause it while you do that, and then we'll move on to the next activity that I have for you. All right. So the next thing that I want you to do is you have your noun packet, and I want you to open to that first page that we did in your noun packet. And it had the pictures of the 4 things or places or persons. And grab either a blank sheet of paper or a lined sheet of paper, or if you're using a journal, if you have a spiral notebook, you can use that, or you can write in your writing journal, whichever you'd like to do. But we're going to write some sentences, and we're going to use these 8 pictures. So for example, we've got the fish. So the fish is the noun, and the adjective is what you're going to think of. So think about a fish and what you would describe the fish to be. Think of just one word. And so I'm going to write the slimy, oh goodness.
Why?
Fish.
Wait, is it EY?
I know, it looks funny. I think it's EY.
Yeah, I think so too. Sorry.
See, that's all we do. That's why I use a pencil. The slimy fish, I'm going to write a long one because that's what I do, is swimming in, a really long one, the tank. That's a really long one for me, but I've been practicing. So when you're going to do, and then remember how we talked about, we colored our nouns and our adjectives, and we used red for noun. So I'm going to color my fish red, and we used, I think, orange, I can't remember, for our adjective. But that's what we're going to do now. So color your noun red and your adjective orange. Do I have any other nouns in my sentence? The slimy fish is swimming in the tank. If you said tank, you're right. So I'm going to color that one red as well. So you're going to write a sentence for each of the pictures that are here using an adjective to describe it. So an adjective to describe the girl, the school. You can think of our school as Hilltop, describe that. The beach, a purse, a dress, an owl, and then the king. Think of just one word that describes that person, and you're going to write a sentence. So 8 different sentences. All right, now I'm going to show you a game because kindergarten had got a game, so why not you? So parents, you'll have to help with this. Well, they can write the words. Find paper to write words on, something. Do about 10 of them. And you're going to write 5 adjectives and 5 nouns. And you'll notice I have a couple proper nouns because I have capital letters, and then I have some common nouns, and then I have some adjectives. So what the game is kind of like splat the word or slap the word. You can use your hand. You can use, if you have these at home, I happen to have them in the classroom, some fly swatters. You can use a spatula, whatever you want to splat the word. So the job is you can first practice reading the words. So moms can, or dads or brothers and sisters, whoever are helping, they can say, find the word yellow, and you'll splat it or hit it. once you've learned these words and can read them quickly, then you can move on to saying, okay, splat a noun, and you'll find a noun and you'll splat it. Splat a adjective, and you'll have to find an adjective and you'll splat it. They can even get tricky if you had put in some proper nouns and common nouns. You can even say splat or slap a common noun, so you'll have to find one that's a common noun. So just some different ways to get those in your brain so you know that it's quicker, and it's good reading practice. And you can use the words that you write in your sentences if you want on these cards. But have fun, play some games with your words, and enjoy. See you later.